Well, hello, everyone, and salute. We're going to continue with 1 Corinthians, and we're going to go through 10 through 13 now, okay? Now I beseech you, brethren, by the name of our Lord Jesus Christ, that ye all speak the same thing, and that there be no divisions among you, but that ye be perfectly joined together in the same mind and in the same judgment. For it hath been declared unto me of you, my brethren, by them which are of the house of Cleo, that there are contentions among you. Now this I say, every one of you saith, I am of Paul, and I of Apollos, and I of Cephas, and I of Christ. Is Christ divided? Was Paul crucified for you? Or were ye baptized in the name of Paul? Okay, and that's the read for today, y'all. And hope y'all get something out of that. And love y'all. Do it God's way, not your way.